Sharon Danley here with a quick tutorial on how to make a fast and easy face mask for the citizenry, as everyone should be wearing one if they have to go out and only for groceries or medical reasons. The University of Hong Kong Shenzhen Hospital performed a study that concluded 2 plies of paper towel have the equivalent filter efficiency of surgical masks. The science proved that face masks with 1 facial tissue inner layer on the face and 2 kitchen paper towels as the outer layer achieved over 90% function of a surgical mask in terms of filtration. Well, that's good enough for me. Okay, 2 paper towels, a Kleenex, 2 rubber bands, and a stapler. Keep the paper towels together and then lay the Kleenex on top. Then, in approximately 3/4 inch folds, continue to form like a fan and press flat. Place the elastic at the end as shown and fold the paper towel over and simply staple in place. Do the same at the other end and voila! Cheap, cheerful, and oh so effective. And I've used them when I've had to go out a couple of times. Remember, it's the viral load when someone coughs or sneezes that these masks greatly protect us from. Please wear a mask, practice good hygiene and social distancing, and stay at home. Take care. We'll see you next time.